Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see about the iOS architecture. This iOS, it is a mobile operating system that was developed by the Apple company. It was developed for iPhones, iPads, and other Apple devices. iOS, it is the second most popular and the most used operating system after the Android. This iOS architecture, it has been divided into four parts. The first layer is Cocoa Touch. It is the topmost layer. It acts as an interface for the users to work with the iOS operating system. We can also call it as application layer. All the apps which we use are present in this layer. It supports touch and motion events and many more features in this. Next we have media layer. Whenever we are trying to play audio or video or any graphical video, this media layer it will enable all the graphical related activity. There are many packages which are in the media layer. Here they have developed many of the frameworks with the help of Swift code. We will be having the frameworks like graphical framework, animation framework. Like this, we will be having many frameworks which supports the media layer. Next layer is core services. This core services, it has got many frameworks like address book, which gives the access to the contact details of the user. Next is health kit framework. It handles health related information of the user. And the social framework, it will access the user's social media accounts. Like this, it will be having many packages inside these core services. The next layer is core OS. In this, it contains all the iOS technologies that are built under the lowest level layer, that is the Core OS layer. It has got many frameworks like Bluetooth framework, external accessories framework, security framework. Like this, it will be having many framework. Same as the Android phone, which will be having the drivers. Like that, it will be having many frameworks. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of the videos or updates. Thank you.